Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 32. When 250 centimeter cube of a saturated solution of copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 at 30 degrees Celsius was evaporated to dryness, 5.0 gram of the salt was obtained. What is the solubility of the salt at 30 degrees Celsius when the molecular mass of CuSO4 copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 is equal to 160? A 0.031, B 0.125, C 0.640, D 1.560. So we are looking for solubility, the solubility of this salt copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6, and we are given some values here which we'll be making use of. We are given the molar mass of the salt, we are given the volume of the solution that was containing the salt, we are also given the mass of the salt that was obtained when it was evaporated to dryness. So the formula we use to calculate this, like solubility, equal to mass over molar mass times 1000 over volume. So the volume is the volume of the solution, and then the mass and molar masses of the salt. So if we input the values, our mass, like we said, is 5 grams, 5.0 grams. That is 5 over molar mass 160 times 1000 over volume of the solution 250 cm cube. So if you compute this, it will give you 0.125 as your answer. 0.125 is option B, so option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.